sessions yesterday, workshops, which we were very happy with. And this is the first one where we have, during today and tomorrow, and actually Thursday morning, we have, I think it's 5 sessions, which we call case studies. And the purpose was to get just end users to come and talk about something about what to do, you know, a case study of what we're doing. We didn't try to pick a specific topic, because when we do that, what happens is the people who agree to do that don't want to talk about what I want to talk about. So it's easier just this way, say, well, we're going to have case studies, we get the speakers, we combine them. Now, in this session, well, I have a couple slides there, but we're just down on the bottom half now, okay? This is the thing I showed yesterday. The top was all the workshops. The bottom, we're Tuesday at 2 o'clock, and when we have another session following this. And we're going to work our way down through those sessions. Hopefully you attend all of them. These are our sponsors again, the ones that I like, the cybersecurity sponsors, the ones related to cybersecurity. So I just want to show that. Encourage you to go out and stop at their booths. And now, I really don't have a presentation because there's no topic here for me to frame except to say that we have some end user speakers.
Case study.
And for today's session, we have 2 speakers, but very large companies, well-known companies. You certainly will know the names. And they're going to be talking about different perspectives and different issues. And then, so what we're going to do is start off with David Lawrence from Duke Energy, and then we're going to have Mark Duck from Shell come and talk. After that, we'll have a short panel session. Now, we had a third person up there. You see Carl Perman, who unfortunately couldn't make it. His wife had an accident in the car, and so he couldn't get here. This is on top of already snow problems and things like that, so he wasn't able to make it. So for right now, we're going to have 2 people on the panel, and we were thought about adding people to the panel, but then we decided no, based on what we saw yesterday and with all the activity in the audience, we don't think we need to add people to the panels. There's been plenty of questions coming from the audience, and you'll end up talking to each other anyhow.
So the audience is the panel.
The audience is our panel. You're our panel. They just happen to have the ring seats, nice seats up here. So, with that said, I want to invite David Lawrence to come up now from Duke Energy and give us a presentation.
Check. Testing. 1, 2.